Pay apps still run on guesswork. With no objective record of what was installed and when, contractors and owners resort to spreadsheets and site walks, resulting in slow payments, disputes, and uncertainty. Introducing completed quantities, objective quantity tracking for faster, dispute-free payments. Buildots automatically calculates what's been installed and when based on your BIM model and real site data. See installed quantities by total to date or individual month to align with routine reporting requirements. Filter by trade, activity, element, and more. Spot check the data by clicking any completed element to open a site photo, so you can visually confirm it's been installed. With all these capabilities, you'll minimize disputes, accelerate approvals, and get a consistent source of truth. Talk to our expert team today to learn more.